Salam and hello everybody. I hope you're all doing really well. So in this video I show you how to meal prep like a pro. I prepare a variety of meals to have throughout the week, suitable for a whole family or individuals or couples. You can have the meals for lunch, dinner, even for breakfast, and it's quite an easy and efficient way of prepping your meals. So I do hope you find it useful. So first of all, I prepared the fillings. So I decided to make a mincemeat filling and two different chicken fillings and a veg one. So first of all, I prepared the mincemeat one. I used lamb mince and just popped that into a pan, a large frying pan with a little bit of oil, and browned the mince. And once the mince is browned, you can either drain the water off or dry it off. Add a little bit of garlic and ginger paste, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can add some chili powder as well if you want. And that's ready as a filling. Next, I had 4 boneless chicken thighs. So I just cut them up into small pieces. I like chicken thighs because the meat is quite tender, but I guess you could use chicken breast as well. So for half of the chicken thighs, so 2 chicken thighs, I coated with this mixture. So I've got Greek yogurt, tandoori masala, paprika, and whatever else was on screen. I've added 2 of the boneless thighs and marinated that for at least 30 minutes, or you can just cook it straight away. So to a frying pan, add a bit of oil and then pour in the mixture with the chicken and the marinade. And you cook that till the chicken is white and the oil kind of separates from the mixture. And for the other 2 chicken thighs, I decided to make kind of fried chicken pieces. So I've got some plain flour, an egg, salt, coarse black pepper, a bit of milk, and then just add in the pieces of chicken, coat that in the batter, and then fry that. So to check if the oil's hot enough, put a bit of the batter in, and if it rises to the top, the oil's ready to use. And I just fried all of the chicken pieces. And once the chicken is a lovely golden brown on both sides, it's ready and fried. I caramelized some onion, so I'm just chopping up 1 large onion, cooking that in some oil, sauteing it or caramelizing it. And just pop that into a small bowl to use later. I decided to make 1 veg filling, so I'm just chopping up some potatoes into chunks. Also slicing some carrots. Add the potatoes and carrots to a pan, sprinkle a bit of salt on, cover with cold water. Bring that to the boil. Once it comes to the boil, allow it to cook for about 5 minutes and then check that the potatoes and carrots are soft enough. Turn it off and drain. And I've got this tin of mixed beans, so just add that to a mixing bowl. It doesn't need cooking. The mixed beans don't need cooking. Add in the potatoes and carrots. Add in some ketchup, salt and coarse black pepper, and then just use a potato masher to just mash that all together. And there's another one of your fillings. It's actually quite tasty. It might not look all that, but it's tasty. I had some potatoes and carrots left over, so I popped them into a little baking tin, added some olive oil, salt and pepper. And then put that under the grill and kept that to one side as well. Next, I prepared the sides, so I decided to make some rice, some pasta and couscous, and I'd bought some tortilla wraps. By the way, Ayub, my 2-year-old, is in the room now, so if it's a little bit noisy, it's not me, it might be Ayub. So first of all, I cooked the rice and then I cooked the pasta. Just boiled that as I normally would. Added in a bit of double cream and soft cheese because I had it in the house and I thought I'd make use of it. And then I processed a couple of tomatoes. And added some of that to the pasta shells, some salt as well, just to make it a little bit saucy rather than just dry pasta shells. Next, I made the couscous. So I've got 1 cup of the couscous. Add in a cup and a half of boiling water. I added some olive oil, lime juice because I didn't have any lemon juice. Added some coriander. Just kind of move it around with a fork after leaving it for 10 minutes just to fluff it up. I also decided to cook some mixed peppers. And here's everything ready to prepare meals for the week ahead. Isn't it, Ayub? Yeah? Pasta, rice. What else do we have? Salad. Cucumber. Couscous. Olives.
And pepper.
Pepper, yeah.
Peppers.
What else do we have?
Prince onions.
Spring onions, yeah, my darling.
Prince onions.
So I had quite minced meat, yeah. So I made some wraps or burritos. Spring onions, you like them? And the good thing is, once you've got everything, Ayub's not going to let me do this. The good thing is, now that you've got everything laid out, all the things you need for your meal prep, you can just mix it up how you like. So I made a load of wraps or burritos with different fillings, mixed it up, and yeah, it was just such a good way to do things. So I've been having the meals throughout the week. You can even pop them in your kids' lunch boxes. If anyone's working, pop it in their lunch boxes. Have it for dinner if you can't be bothered making a big old dinner. And then I'm making individual portions with the pasta. So in one pot I put some minced meat, another one I put some chicken, and then the other one some veg and some peppers. So just mix it up how you like, and then throughout the week see what you're in the mood for. Just make sure you label it. Did the same with the couscous, and obviously the same with the rice. We're a large family, mashallah, and it was really useful throughout the week for lunch, even for dinner, or just when the kids wanted a snack, or if I was feeling a little bit peckish. But anyway, I really hope you found this useful. I hope it's given you some lovely ideas to use in your meal prep. Jazakallah, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Inshallah, see you really soon. Take care. Salam. Bye.